What is Python Flask? Python Flask is a micro web framework for building web applications using Python. It is lightweight and easy to use, making it a popular choice for developing small to medium sized web applications. Flask is based on WSGI, Web Service Gateway Interface Toolkit, and Jinja 2 template engine. Some of the key features of Flask include easy to learn and use. Flask is a lightweight and easy to learn web framework, making it ideal for beginners and small projects. Flexible. Flask is highly modular and allows you to choose the component you need for your application. Built-in development server. Flask comes with a built-in development server which makes it easy to test your applications locally. Extensible. Flask is highly extensible and support a wide range of third-party extensions and plugins. Lightweight. Flask has a small code base and does not require much overhead, making it ideal for building small to medium-sized web applications. Here is an example of a simple Flask web application. In this code, we are creating a web application to print a hello world. So, in the above example, we can create a simple Flask application that displays hello world when access the root URL of application. We use app.route decorator to specify the URL route for the hello world function. Flask is powerful and versatile web framework that can be used to build wide range of web applications from simple blog to complex e-commerce website. So let's test this code. We are moving to VS Code. Before running this code, we have to import. Uh, uh, we, we have to install Flask. So for installing Flask, you have to give the command pip install Flask. If it is already installed, it will give that requirements are already satisfied. Otherwise, it will install Flask. Then we can import Flask in our code and use it. So here app.route, which is a decorator, which will use this hello world function to print hello world in our web application. If we run this code, then it will use localhost and port number 5000 to run the web application. So we give the command python and the script name. Here the script name is example.py. Using Flask, it will create a simple web application and it will run on the localhost on the given port 5000. Control click on the link. It will open it in the default browser and hello world will be printed on the user screen. Moving back to our notebook. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.